We've got the answer to all your cleaning problems. Ever find yourself stuck with stubborn stains or bad odors around your house? It seems like no matter how much elbow grease you put into scrubbing, some stains just refuse to budge. Or maybe you've been battling those persistent smells that just won't leave no matter how many scented candles you light or air fresheners you spray. And let's not even get started on those dirty kitchen appliances, right? Grimy ovens, stained coffee pots, and that mysterious gunk that somehow finds its way into every nook and cranny. It's enough to make anyone throw up their hands in defeat. But what if there was a better way? A way to tackle these common cleaning problems without breaking the bank or spending hours scrubbing. A solution that's easy, cost-effective, and likely already sitting in your pantry. What if I told you that a simple household item could solve these problems? Stay tuned because you're about to find out. Get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with your secret weapon, baking soda. This simple white powder, more commonly known as sodium bicarbonate, is about to your most trusted ally against dirt and grime. But wait, there's much more to it. Brace yourselves for an array of incredible cleaning hacks that this one ingredient can offer. Baking soda is a natural, non-toxic, and eco-friendly solution, which can dissolve dirt and grease easily in water. Its fine granules are just abrasive enough to scrub without scratching. A powerhouse of versatility, baking soda emerges as a champion from your kitchen to your laundry. Plus, it's affordable and easily accessible. You can find it in any grocery store, often for less than $1. So get ready to ditch your expensive chemical-laden products. With baking soda, you can make your cleaning routine not only simpler and safer, but also more effective. Stay tuned to uncover the hidden cleaning potential of baking soda. First up, we'll tackle those stubborn stains. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a real game changer when it comes to removing stains. It's versatile, safe, and effective. Here's how you can use it. Let's start with clothes. Mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda with a 1/4 cup of water to make a paste. Apply this paste to the stain, let it sit for about 15 minutes, then wash as usual. You'll see the stain has vanished. For stains on carpets, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the stain. Wait for at least half an hour, then vacuum it up. The stain should be significantly reduced, if not completely gone. Now for countertops, make a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Apply to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe clean, and there you have it, stains gone in no time. Next, let's conquer those unpleasant odors. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural deodorizer. It's amazing at absorbing bad smells, and it's non-toxic, making it safe to use around kids and pets. If your fridge is housing some unwelcome scents, try this. Simply open a box of baking soda and leave it in the back. It'll absorb the odors and leave your fridge smelling fresh. For trash cans, sprinkle a handful of baking soda at the bottom before you insert the bag. It'll help to neutralize any smells that sneak out, and let's not forget about those stinky shoes. A light dusting of baking soda inside your shoes will do wonders. Leave it overnight, and in the morning, just tap out the excess. Baking soda is a cheap and effective solution to eliminate bad smells in your home. Say goodbye to bad smells with this simple hack. Finally, we'll bring shine back to your kitchen appliances. Baking soda, this little wonder of the culinary world, also doubles as an efficient, safe cleaning agent for our everyday kitchen appliances. Let's start with the oven, a notoriously tough spot. Mix equal parts of baking soda and water to form a paste. Apply this paste on the grime-laden surfaces of your oven and let it sit overnight. The next morning, simply wipe it off with a damp cloth. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the grime comes off, revealing a sparkling clean oven beneath. Moving on to the microwave, a common casualty of food splatters and stubborn stains. Mix 3 parts of baking soda with 1 part of water to form a paste. Apply this mixture to the interior of the microwave, allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. Then, using a sponge, gently scrub away the stains, rinse with water, and voila, your microwave is as good as new. Now let's tackle the coffee maker. Often overlooked, yet susceptible to buildup over time. Fill the coffee pot with a quart of warm water and add a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Stir until it dissolves. Pour this solution into the coffee maker's water chamber and run it as though making coffee. Then run it again with plain water to rinse. This will remove any lingering coffee stains and mineral deposits, leaving your coffee maker gleaming and ready for the next brew. The beauty of baking soda is its gentle, non-abrasive nature. It's safe to use on various surfaces and does an excellent job without the harsh fumes and potential damage associated with commercial cleaners. It's not just about cleanliness, but also about the safety of your home and the health of your family. With these steps, your kitchen appliances will be shining like new. Baking soda is indeed a secret weapon for a clean, fresh, and vibrant kitchen. So why not give it a try and add some sparkle to your kitchen appliances today? So we've seen how baking soda can be a cleaning superstar. This common kitchen ingredient is more than just a cooking staple. It's a versatile cleaning agent that can tackle a range of household chores. We've explored its stain-removing powers, from stubborn carpet spills to coffee-stained mugs. Just a paste of baking soda and water can lift those unsightly marks, making your items look brand new. Remember how amazed we were to see those stains vanish right before our eyes? That's the power of baking soda. And let's not forget how it's a champion at eliminating odors. Whether it's a funky smell in your fridge or a musty scent in your shoes, baking soda is there to save the day. By simply sprinkling some into the offending area and letting it sit, you can say goodbye to those unwanted smells. No more turning up your nose at unpleasant odors. We also delved into the world of kitchen appliances. With baking soda, scrubbing your oven or degreasing your range hood is no longer a daunting task. It's a gentle yet effective cleaner that won't scratch surfaces. Plus, it's non-toxic and safe to use around food areas. Now, doesn't that make your cleaning routine seem less of a chore? What's more, using baking soda for cleaning is not just practical. It's also eco-friendly and cost-effective. You're not only saving money by not needing to buy multiple cleaning products, but you're also doing your part in reducing chemical waste. It's a small step towards a greener and healthier home. So there you have it, the magic of baking soda unveiled. It's not just a humble pantry item, it's your secret weapon for a cleaner, fresher, and more vibrant home. Next time you encounter a cleaning problem, remember, baking soda is your cost-effective, eco-friendly solution.